Hello friends, welcome to our channel DSP Math Simple. Last video we discussed about decimation in time DIF, DIT. In this video we will discuss about decimation in frequency DIF, how to find the DFT of the given sequence. I already told that for FFT means fast Fourier transform. It is used to reduce the time to required for the calculation of finding DFT. So here we will discuss about DAF. So in DAF, following steps are followed. First we write the given input sequence x of n as total input. Then second step, combine 8 given input as a one set. So the output of this stage given to the input of the next stage. So here, so first stage we consider as 8 input as a one full set. So then next, combining 4 inputs as a one set, so 2 set of calculation required here, so that is called stage 2. Then combining 2 input as a one set, so 4 sets of calculation required in stage 3. But in DIT it is a reverse. So first we will do 4 8 1. So like that, here 8 4 2 1 single output. This is the reverse by this one. This is called 8 4 2 1 calculation in decimation in frequency. So the output of the third stage will be taken. After the output of the third stage, then we must do the bit reversal operation in the third stage output. So after the bit reversal operation, we will write the output sequences in parentheses. So that is called DFT of the given input sequences x of n. So only one difference is, so there we will calculate 1 2 4 8 form, here 8 4 2 1 form. This is called DIF. So in this DIF or DIT, so everything bit reversal form one concept, and radix 2 diagram another concept. So bit reversal form I already explained that in video basics of FFT. So here this is the steps I told DIF. Here the radix 2 diagram also I given here. So this is the input, 2 input. So 2 input, here the radix 2 diagram, DIF diagram. So here 2 input calculation only. So A, B. So this A will go up. Here A will come this straight line, and here this is the straight line. This is the here. So A will come here, B will come here, and it will go up. Here it will come. So it will add together A plus B. This is the output. Then here another step, A will go down. Here B takes here minus 1. Then it will come here. So actually it is A minus B only, but it is there is no minus subtraction operation in FFT. So I am multiplying with minus 1 and adding. So A plus minus 1 of B. That is the calculation here. A plus minus 1 of B. This is the point. So this is the output here. So actually A minus B will come into Wn power r. This is the Tweedale factor. So in radix 2 diagram DIF, here output, in output we are multiplying the Tweedale factor form. So output B equal to A minus B into Wn power r. Here A equal to A plus B. So you can compare DIT also. DIT, here input we will multiply Tweedale factor, but here output. So if you input multiply means both will be affected by Tweedale factor, but here only one port, second part output only will be calculated by Tweedale factor Wn of 4. Here we will see the DIF calculation in FFT, taking one example. So here I given x of n equal to 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. Find x of k using DIF FFT algorithm. This is the given problem. For solution we must write given capital N equal to 8. So we know that Tweedale factor is e power minus j 2 pi n by k. So this is r. So Tweedale factor r, here r I written. This is the one r. So Wn power r e power minus j 2 pi n k. Then hence we know that W8 power 0 equal to 1. W8 power 1 equal to 0.707 minus j 0.707. This is already we calculated in DIT video also, basics also. So W8 power 0 equal to 1. W8 power 1 equal to 0.707 minus j 0.707 or 1 by root 2. So W8 power 2 is minus j, W8 power 3 is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So this is the problem. First step, we find the trivial factor. Because n is 8, so we calculating 4 values, n by 2 values only. So here we will see the step by step calculation. So first one is stage 1, here stage 2, here stage 3, then output form. Here stage 1, this is the I written the given input sequences x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. This is the position values 0 to 7, because n equal to 8 means 0 to 7 only calculated. So whatever given the input, first input consider as x of 0, second number is x of 1, third is 3, like that. So given input problem, you can know that 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. So this one I written as it is. But in DIT we will return reverse bit reversal, but here DIF the given input sequence is as it is same, we will return. Then we are taking as a one full set 8, then we are combining, that is 4 4 4. So this is first one will combine to fifth line, second one is sixth line, third one is seventh line, fourth one is eighth line. So these two will be made by the radix 2 diagram, that is first line and fifth line. So radix 2 diagram, this one will come here, this the 4 will go up and add together will give 5. At the same time, this one will come down. Here 4 will take the minus 1 value and will come here. So 1 into minus 4, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So this is the output. Then another line, if you take here, this will come here. Then this corresponding line will come from here. So 3 will go up, 2 will come here, then 5. Then the down value will come here, and here 3 takes minus 1 and minus 3. Here it will come 2. Then minus 3 plus 2, then minus 1. So what then multiply with trivial factor. Here no problem. W8 power 0 is 1. So whatever value will comes, that is same as it is. But here W8 power 1 is 0.707 minus j 0.707. So already here minus 1. So the answer is, here it will change, minus 0.707 plus j 0.707. So this is the one, this point you can understand. So then another one, third line and seventh line. So the third line, this is the line, these 3 will come down. Then from here it will go up and 5. It will be 5, adding together 5. Here this line will come down, this is the line will come. So here 2 takes minus 1 into 2, here 3 will come. So 3 minus 2, 1. So whatever W into multiply with W8 power 2. So W8 power 2 is already minus j only. So multiply with 1 means minus j only. Then again this is the last one. So fourth line and eighth. So here it is 4 will come as it is. Here 1 will go up and add together 5 will come. Then 4 will come down. Here 1 minus 1 will take. Then 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Here 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 3 into W8 power 3. So W8 power 3 is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So into 3 you multiply, you will get minus 2.121 minus j 2.121. So this is the stage 1 output. Okay, this is the stage 1 output. Then these outputs of stage 1 will be considering as a stage 2 input. Okay, stage 2 input is now these values only. So this is the stage 2. Now I taking the four values as a one step, again 4 values as a another step. Within the 4 values, again n by 2 operation, that is 2 will combining. That means 1 and 3, 2 and 4. Here this 1 and 3, 2 and 4 here. So 1 and 2, 1 and 3 I taken. So first line here 5 it will come as it is. Then third line also 5, it will goes up and it will give answer is 10. So here 5 it will come. Here 5 it will come here and take minus 1 also. Then 5 minus 5 it is 0 into W8 power 1 0. Then this line is over. Then another line this one. So here 5 it will come. Here 5 it will go up. 5 plus 5 10. Here 5 it will come down. Here 5 minus 1 it will take. So 5 minus 1 is 0. So here W8 power 2 equal to minus j. So here at stage 1 we taken all the 4 values. Then again you first one is you take the trivial factor in even numbers, that is 0 and 2. So this is the 0 and 2 only you must take even numbers. Then this is the another set. So first set of calculation is over. Then this is the second set. So first is here, what is the value? Minus 3 will come. Then here this is the one, this is the one, that is here you this line and this line. So this is minus 3 will come as it is. Here output is minus j, it will go up, and minus 3 minus j it will come. Here again minus 3 will go down, here minus j will come, and you take minus 1 also, then plus j, then here minus 3 plus j, because w8 power 0 equal to 1. So answer is as it is. Then this line, this value will come down, come straight, minus 0.707 plus j 0.707 will come here. Then here this value will go up. Here already minus 2.12, here minus j 2.121. So here it will go up. Here this line will come. Then add together minus 2.82 minus j 1.414. This is the answer. Then at the same time it will go down. Then it will come, this value will takes minus 1 and it will go down, and if multiply with w8 power 2 equal to minus j, you will get 2.828 minus j 1.414. So like this, in stage 2 calculation, we combine 4 input as a one stage, here 4 input as a another stage. So the output of second stage, stage 2, will be given to the input of first stage. Then the stage 2 output will given to the stage 3 input. Here this line 10 it will come here. Here I am combining two sets input. Here this will come straight 10. Here also output 10. It will goes up. It will add 20. Then this will go down. This 10 takes minus 1. Then w8 power 0 only. 1 1 total factor only. So here 10 minus 10 0. So here 10, here 0 will come. Here 0 same. Here 0 it will go. Here 0. So this is the one, output is 0. So then here if you take the output is here the input minus 3 minus j, then it will come here. Then this output will go here. Then minus 3 minus 2, it is a minus 5 8 2 point. Here minus j 2.414. Then same down, minus 3 minus j it will go down, and this will come minus 1 it will take. So this is the value 0.172 plus j 0.414. Like this, here minus 3 plus j it will come. Then this will go up, this value 2.8, then plus minus, then 0.172 minus j 0.415. Like this it will go down. This takes minus 1. This is the value. Okay. So the output of stage 3 will be written as x of 0 value, capital X here. 0 position, 1 position, 2 position, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then final output is bit reversal adder. The output of stage 3 will be considered making as a bit reversal adder. So bit reversal adder I already told, x of 0 position, 4 position, 2 position, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. So 0 is as it is 20. Here x4 is here minus 5.828, like this value. Then x2 is 0, x4 is minus 0.172 minus j 0.414 here, and x1 is 0 again. Then x5 is minus 0.172 plus j 0.414. x of 3 is equal to 0, x of 7 minus 5.828 plus j 2.414. So we will write the output sequence x of k, capital X of k in parenthesis. So first one is 20, then minus 5.828 minus j 2.414, 0 minus 0.172 minus j 0.414, and again another value 0 minus 0.172 plus j 0.414, 0 minus 5.828 plus j 2.414. Here I already told in last video. So the first value is summation of given all the inputs. So don't confuse it. Here also DIT also DIF also first value is summation of all the given inputs. So you can check it 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. This is the first value 20. The next value is, this is the last one is conjugative. Here minus, here plus. Then another one is 0 0, so no problem. Here minus 172, here minus 170 plus j, here minus j plus j. So stage we'll get the output, then we'll do the bit reversal position. So x of 0 4 2 6 1 5 3 4, and you write the values. So first one 20 like this, minus 0.5 8 to 8, so like this. So you can check also, first value is 20, so this is summation of all the given inputs. Then this value, it is conjugative here, minus plus, then again 0 0, so no problem. Then here minus j, here plus j, same value, then center point is 0. So like this you can cross check also. So total output 8 values, because capital N is equal to 8, so given input 8, so output also 8. So like this, like this way you can calculate any number, that is n equal to given 8 means you can calculate this radix 2 diagram for any input sequences, whatever may be. So thank you friends for kind watching.